The government has to take a call whether they are in a position to conduct the exams or not. CA exam postponed for November. Yes, we got it done from Supreme Court as far as CA exams are concerned. But now Supreme Court and other high courts also are not in favor of postponement. And is there any hope? See, hope, we should always keep a hope, but I would suggest that each and every student should focus on studies now. And if you are able to go and appear for exam, in case cancellation and postpone will not happen, then you take a call. You have to decide, children have to decide, students have to take a call, parents have to take a call whether life is more important or going to exam is more important. So as far as my view is concerned, I will never allow my child to appear for any exam whatsoever, because right now we have to save ourselves. We know how SOPs have been followed recently in the exams which were conducted in Karnataka, and today COMEDK exam was conducted across India, and we know how the examinations were conducted, and very few students actually went and appeared for the exam. So मैम वन वर्ड में आंसर करिए, पोस्टपोन हो सकता है या नहीं. पोस्टपोनमेंट का इट्स नॉट इन आवर हैंड. वी आर ट्राइंग आवर बेस्ट. It may happen, it may not. So I will request all the students to focus on your studies and don't take any extreme step in case postponement will not be allowed. If you are in a position to go and appear for exam, I would request you all to go. Otherwise, my suggestion would be to first take care of your health, then everything else comes in place. As far as pandemic is concerned, it's a temporary thing. It will, I think we will come out of pandemic in few months. I am ready to give exam but can't concentrate on revision. See, if you are not able to focus on studies, then no point. I would request each and everyone to focus on studies. I know it is a very difficult time. Had I been in your position, I don't think I would have been able to appear for exam. And even we are not able to focus on our matters and cases which we are taking up daily, because so many students are worried. Many are committing suicide, which is not a good thing. I am very much worried. Alex sir is very much worried about the suicide which is happening, and we are so much concerned about students. What should we do? Many students are sending me message, and so today I have come live for all these students who are under stress. See, life, I would say कि man can't concentrate on studies. Yes, I can understand 90%. Yes, they are unable to open theatres and gym. You're right. No, media channels are also covering it now. Many media people, our mental health is disturbed. I can understand. No, parents will not allow, then I think you should follow what your parents will tell you. You being a parent, you just take, if you would have been in your father or mother's position, if they will not allow, then you should think of their second drop. No, let it be. Even if it is second drop, then if you are not able to appear for exam, don't stress yourself. There is always a chance. One exam cannot decide your future. That's what I am telling you. One exam cannot decide the future of anyone. ICI is in RA. I cannot read comment. How will I go? Ramesh Pokhriyal sir will respond. I know. I don't know why he is not responding. Even I have requested some politicians today that go and talk to Mr. Ramesh